So this is my Solmetric Suneye Pathfinder hybrid homemade shading analysis tool, and basically you can take a sky shot with this. It gives you a 360 picture, and with that picture you can put it, I use the Pathfinder software, and I take that 360 picture and put it in the Pathfinder software and get an excellent clear and clean shade analysis. Basically the lens assembly, I used a quadcopter lens and an old Brookstone telescope for the eyepiece, and that's 3D printed there. A friend of mine has a 3D printer, so I made that in SketchUp and turned out pretty good. And of course the base is just plywood, and I routed it out so that the phone fits in there. Then I took a standard magnetic compass and I glued that level on there, and you just turn this thing south and take a picture. I am going to put a trigger on it so it'll be easier to use up on the roof. I've cut a hole underneath the base here so I can plug in where you can plug in an earphone and use that to activate the camera. As this is an iPhone 5C, it's my old iPhone, and it works really good. I can get a nice accurate shading analysis with this thing. And actually this is the older model. I have a new one coming out, and I have a new lens assembly that's about maybe 1/3 the size of that thing, because I've got the compound lens and the other 360 lens that I needed to make it way smaller. So now the whole thing pretty much fits in the palm of your hand. The new one I'll put out, and I'll get some video footage of that. I will also show you how I made this one. It's pretty simple, and it didn't cost much. All you need is an old iPhone and some old lenses. The one lens you would need to order, I got this off of AliExpress. It's a 360 quadcopter lens, and actually shaved that down on the new one that I made. The first one that I built was actually made of wood. I made the whole lens assembly out of wood, but that was a hassle. Once I got the 3D printer, it was a lot easier. Just designed it and printed it out. So anyways, here's the introduction. When I get time, I'll make a how-to video, and so you can make your own shade analysis tool without having to depend on the Solmetric Suneye company, which periodically likes to take away their product and abandon their entire customer base. And you can use the Pathfinder software, and those guys have been around for a long time, and it makes it a really cool tool. I've always liked the Pathfinder because it doesn't take any batteries. It's amazing. So anyways, this is a combination between the two, and like I said, I'll make another one and I'll show you how I did it.